How does cruise control maintain a constant speed? Hey everyone, welcome to the channel guys. Today, we're diving into the technology behind cruise control. Ever wondered how your car manages to maintain a steady speed without you constantly adjusting the accelerator? Let's break it down. The basics: cruise control is a system that helps your car maintain a set speed. It's essentially a combination of sensors and actuators that work together to regulate the engine's power output. Key components: speed sensor. This sensor measures the car's speed, usually using a wheel speed sensor or a transmission output speed sensor. Set speed control. This is where you input the desired speed. It's typically a button or dial on your steering wheel. Electronic control unit ECU. The ECU is the brain of the operation. It processes the information from the speed sensor and compares it to the set speed. Engine control actuators. These devices, like the throttle body or fuel injectors, adjust the engine's power output to maintain the desired speed. How it works: set the speed, you activate cruise control and input your desired speed. Speed sensor feedback. The speed sensor sends data to the ECU about the car's current speed. ECU comparison. The ECU compares the current speed to the set speed. Adjusting engine power. If the car is going to slow, the ECU will signal the engine control actuators to increase power. If it's going too fast, it will decrease power. Continuous adjustment. This process is ongoing, ensuring the car maintains the set speed even on hills, curves, or changing traffic conditions. Allows you to reactivate cruise control at the previous set speed after temporarily disabling it. Accelerate, decelerate. Some systems allow you to temporarily increase or decrease speed without disabling cruise control. Adaptive cruise control. More advanced systems can automatically adjust the speed to maintain a safe following distance from vehicles ahead. So, there you have it. Cruise control is a clever system that uses sensors, computers, and actuators to keep your car at a steady speed. It's a great feature that can make driving more comfortable and efficient. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or want to learn more about other car technologies, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more awesome content.